What is up, guys? GV Kick. We're just chilling. I'm back for another video. This video is gonna be all over the place. We're doing a bunch of things. We gotta do an oil change. We're gonna work on a mod's car a little bit. Currently, I'm taking the bike out and I have a surprise. It's right behind me. I bought an excavator. So yeah, like fucking honestly, guys, like I just took the bike out today. It's super nice. I don't even know where the fuck I am. Some random. It's so fucking quiet. Actually, like, look at this shit. I'm literally ruining my shoes for this video. I swear to God, if you guys don't leave a like or at least subscribe, I'm gonna be so upset. I'm literally ruining my shoes for you guys. Look at this shit. What the fuck is this shit? What is this? I got an excavator. That's my shit. Fucking 1300 horsepower. Are you dumb? Anyways, this is really beautiful. There's like a lake over there. I was thinking about going, but the ground's kind of soft here, so I don't want to get stuck and then, yeah, I don't know. But honestly, guys, it's been kind of slow on the videos lately just because I don't have a lot of content. But this video is going to be pretty good, so stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay. So like, just look at this, guys. Look at this. You got 3 decent sized dookie stains here. This was all dookie. I just had to wipe it off, and you can still see the dookie clear coat. Dookie all up here. Dookie all over the roof. Dookie on the back. Now we got a literal fucking diarrhea dookie. More just fucking dookie all over the whip. Dookie on the windshield. Like, yo, I don't know what it is about my car, bro, but birds, like, love to shit on my whip. So, like, we're gonna get this bitch really clean, or, like, at least semi-clean before we have another client, so. Look at the difference. No more dookie stains all over the whip. Is she clean? Damn, no more dookie stains.
That's how you start the
What's up, guys? We're just we're doing an oil change right now.
There is no monetization, bro. Oh, dude.
So we got a magnetic energy drain plug because we're bougie, and we got another different version of 5W40, so we'll see if it breaks the car. But we're gonna go get a filter right now. We're gonna go to a mod's place, work on the Evo a little bit, work on the STI a little bit. We got the taxi driver right here, straight out of GTA. Straight out of GTA.
Hey, give him some respect, or Uber.
But
Come on.
gonna feed the boys right now. Super blessed. What's up, you? All right, filter acquired. Sadly, I didn't need head gaskets today, but you can see all these NA. Dude, that's actually, what the fuck? That's nice. This color's nice. I love Volvos. These are really nice. Oh look. Holy fuck! Oh my god. First off, you guys haven't seen this, but this is Ahmad's all black Talon. It's a black edition. Very nice. Is it open? No, it's not open, but look how pretty this is. I don't want to talk about this. First off, this is a Mitsubishi and it's fuck. That's a Subaru, so don't talk to me. But this thing looks clean.
Unbranded band. What are you doing?
Clean.
What are you doing?
He's in no club. He's in no club. I don't know what the hell.
Black edition.
Okay, first off, the problem with this is this isn't a boxer motor, and it's on jack.
That's the problem.
That's the problem. But this thing does look nice. And then he has his little E30 because he's a little fat boy. Here, I'll help you.
No, you scratched the paint.
Can't drive. You
No. Where's the keys for the tire?
Oh, more doggy poo. Fresh. Yo, look at this dude. No, don't even lie. That's a good shot. Like, he got it right on the cap. It's a good shot.
We literally just...
We got the... Because I'm an idiot. And nobody... Rear windshield wiper delete because I'm a fucking idiot. But, he's just handing me shit now. What is this, bro?
It's an Evo with no transmission.
Why? I thought you don't have these problems. It's an Evo. You burn the clutch. Burn the clutch. Eyeball. That's how we're looking. I think it looks a lot cleaner, doesn't it? Yeah, little club. So we got like 4 idiots.
Drew, I think you know what I'm talking about.
4 idiots and a guy
how you
trying to
position.
put
I know that.
Yeah, like that. So we hold it like
the
that to put it under,
tranny
and
back in
then
here.
rotate it like that when it's in the
Because
face.
Ahmad got a new clutch for his
And then
Evo.
the rest.
Okay, we might have waited a little bit too long, but we're still gonna get it done. So we're gonna do it right now. Filter, magnetic drain plug, NRG. And oh yeah, I forgot this. I need this too. So
Most
yeah,
important.
we're gonna do
Most
a,
important.
we're gonna do an oil change right now, and yeah. So we're just cleaning up the car a little bit right now. Kind of dirty, had a lot of junk in it and shit, just like random shit. So we're just cleaning up. We got the rear windshield wiper delete on. I kind of like it. It makes it look a lot cleaner. So let's take a look at that. Honestly, I think it cleans the back a lot. I never really thought this car looked nice with a rear windshield wiper, but and this was the other like prize I wanted to show you guys. It's just a new daily. It's nothing crazy. It's a Mini Cooper S Countryman, all fours. It's a Mini Cooper, yeah, but like it's not that bad. And actually, like, it's pretty nice to drive. It's pretty good on gas. So it's a 4-cylinder turbo. But we got the panoramic roof. Don't mind that it's super dirty right now. It wasn't even that bad of a pickup too. Like, I got a pretty good deal on it. So this is like a great daily. I've been driving this a lot. Actually, a butt ton of room in here. Lots of headroom, 4 bucket seats, and yeah, it's not a bad car. The only thing I don't like about this car is the middle cluster, but the fact that it's sort of a BMW, but we'll see how reliable it is. So far it's been pretty good, but yeah, 2 pinstripes looking kind of funky, but it's chill. All right, so it looks like you made it to the end of the video. Congratulations, you just wasted like 10 minutes of your life. But yeah, I got my lovely bike right there, my big boy. and it's beside my new excavator. So if you guys didn't hear in the beginning of the video, I got a fucking excavator and it's gonna be fucking lit. But like, honestly guys, like I literally bought this excavator, cost me like $20,000. If you're not convinced yet, I own this thing. This is Big Betty. And together we're gonna fucking take over the fucking world. Anyways, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yes, I'm standing on top of a fucking excavator. And this is my bitch. Peace out.